He told me throw it back about. So I took his mug from his lap about. Boy, come and make this ass fat. And no, we can't talk.
Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I promise you're gonna love it here. If you're a returning subscriber, love you so much. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do like my elegant hair, like slick back hairstyle, because a lot of you guys normally DM me on my Instagram asking like how I did it, like the product I used, and also I realized you guys like it so much. So you're gonna need an edge brush. Normally alternate between these two and a brush. So I'm just gonna comb my hair up. Next up, I'm gonna tie up my hair like loosely on top. Then I'm gonna apply the Gatsby cream together with the Eco Styler gel. I normally use like very little like styler gel because it's not good for your hair. And then I'm gonna use the hard brush, like brush my hair up before I tie it again so that my hair gets laid down. I then do like a braid and tuck in my hair like at the back, like below, using the same band that I used. Now I'm gonna do my edges. I just pull out my edges using the edge brush, then apply the Gatsby cream and do like swoops. This cream works for me like better because I don't have like tough edges. Also my hair is like texturized, but you can use any type of edge cream, like whether it be the Eco Styler gel. Then after I'm done, I'm gonna just apply like the Eco Styler gel on top and perfect my edges before I'm done. I'm gonna use like a silk scarf to lay down my hair as I do my makeup. Then I'm gonna use like hair extension weaves and use like bobby pins to secure the hair on my head. I'm gonna just tie it like round, like the extension weave. I normally use extension weaves because I feel like actual like hair extensions normally look ugly to me. I haven't found one that works for me, so that's why I use like weaves instead. This weave is from Lush. It's called the loose weave, but you can use any kind of hair that you have. So yeah, I'm gonna just twist it and move it around, and you can see that I'm pulling out like hairs like as I go around. This is to make it look a bit natural, and it also, I feel like it also gives it like a cute look when you have like several hair strands pulled out, not roughly in a way that it looks awful, but like just pulled out. It looks nice. So I just tie it round, and then once I'm done, I secure the last piece with a bobby pin, and then I pull out the hair. You'll notice that I pull out the hair a bit so that it can be a bit loose. That way it looks a bit more elegant to me compared to like it being just secured round. So yeah, I slayed with my makeup. If you haven't watched my makeup tutorial, look at the previous video and you'll see. So yeah, now you see what I mean, like when you pull out like a few hair strands. Yeah, this is the final look. I hope you like it, And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.